Today, we're going to start the process of creating our penguin. I'm going to start with my largest piece of black paper. I'm going to use my crayon and I'm going to draw a straight line across the bottom of the paper, all the way across the paper. Now, I'm going to use my crayon and draw a big curved line as big as the paper. Go all the way to the top and curve it when you get to the top. Go to the other side and curve it when you get to the top. You want it to be as big as the paper. I'm going to set that one to the side. I'm going to get the white piece of paper. I'm going to draw a straight line across the bottom. Do the straight line first. Now I'm going to do the same curve as big as the paper. Go up and then curve it in the middle. That looks good. Almost like a snow globe. Now I'm going to take the small piece of black paper and I'm going to fold it in half. This is like a hamburger, not a hot dog. So we want it thick, not skinny. Now make sure the corners are touching. Get them connected together. Make sure they're touching, not too close, not too crooked. That looks good. And I'm going to press the paper and fold it in half. Now, our paper is ready. It's talking to me. It says, I'm ready to be drawn on. So I'm going to draw a straight line on the long side of the paper this time. So going up and down, I'm going to draw a vertical straight line. And now I'm going to draw the curve going to the side. Do it very carefully. Almost like the letter D. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Letter D. Now I'm ready to move on to scissors. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to start with the big black piece of paper first. I'm going to use my scissors and very carefully cut out the shape. Imagine your scissors are little baby fish and they are hungry. They're very hungry baby fish and they want to eat the line of the crayon that you drew. So they only want to eat the line, so only feed them the line. That's their favorite part. Now I'm going to move on to the white piece of paper. I'm going to get my scissors again and my white piece of paper. And I'm going to feed my scissor fish that line. Nibble, nibble, nibble. Tiny little bites. Don't feed them too fast. They'll get a tummy ache. So just nibble that little line. That's their favorite part. So make sure you're feeding them the line. And that looks good. I'm going to throw my trash away. And now I'm going to move on to the last piece. Now this piece is folded. We want to make sure that we cut both sides of the fold at the same time. Don't cut just one, cut both. Fold, make sure it's pressed together and cut both pieces. Feed those scissor fish your line very carefully. Watch out for your fingers. Don't feed them your fingers. Okay, now I'm ready to put my scissors and trash away, and I'm going to get my blue piece of paper that I have created from last week, and I'm going to get my glue stick. I'm going to start by making sure that I put the glue on the side that has the crayon line on it. The glue goes on the side with the crayon line. If you can see your crayon line, that's the side you put the glue on. Now make sure you press it into the center of your paper. This one goes in the middle of the blue paper. Now I'm going to get the white one, and that's the side with the crayon, so that's the side that gets the glue. Make sure you cover it with some glue, and now this time I'm going to put it towards the bottom of the black shape, but leave a little bit of space. The eyes and beak are going to go at the top, so we want more space at the top and less space at the bottom, so kind of put it down towards the bottom. I'm going to take my other two pieces that I made, the letter D's, and the side that has the crayon gets the glue, and I'm going to carefully slide that underneath of the body, and that's going to be the wing for the penguin. And I'm going to do the same with the other one. And I'm going to slide it under just a little bit and press it down. And the first part of creating my penguin is all done. I'm going to put it on the drying rack so it can dry.